Hey guys, this is Trent with My Guys Know How, and today we're going to be showing you how to log into your Xfinity Stream app on your Apple TV. This app gives you quick access to live TV, DVR recordings, and on-demand content without needing an extra cable box. Let's get you set up in just a few steps. Firstly, let's download the app. On your Apple TV home screen, open the App Store and search Xfinity Stream. Go ahead and hit install, and then once it downloads, open the app. When the app opens, select Sign In using your remote. Now you'll see two sign-in options. Your first option is to use the web link and code. You'll see a 6-digit activation code on your screen. On your phone, tablet, or computer, go to xfinity.com/authorize. Enter the code, then log in with your Xfinity username and password. After that, your Apple TV will automatically log in. The second option is to scan the QR code. Use your smartphone's camera to scan the QR code displayed on the screen. It will take you directly to the Xfinity sign-in page with the activation code already filled in. Just sign in and you're good to go. Once you've signed in using either method, your Apple TV will refresh and you'll land on the main Xfinity Stream screen. From there, you can browse live TV, check out on-demand, or continue watching your recorded content. And that's it. You've officially logged in and are ready to stream smarter. If this helped, hit like and follow My Guys Know How for more tech tips made simple. Thanks for watching.